In this video I'm going to show you how to create and subsequently modify a navbar link box. So start ViziGen-Page, open a project. In this case I'm going to open one of the steps of the training course, step 60. So you should regard this as a project that's partially completed, so the website is still under construction. So a navbar link is simply a link that is part of a navbar. A navbar can be put onto a template or a page. In this case we're going to be operating on a navbar which is on a template. So the first thing we have to do is access the template. So go to the Globals tab, expand the Templates tree node, and then click on the template. In this case we only have one. And then click on the Designer tab. So what follows applies just the same if the navbar was on a web page, but in that case you would go to the folder tree and select the page itself and then click on the Page Designer tab. So the first thing that we have to do is select the navbar. Now this is the navbar that the link is going to go on. In this case the navbar is invisible, and when you can't see the boxes you can use this show box outlines command to see where the boxes are. So I know that this here is the navbar. So if I click into the navbar in the Object Selector tool, we can now get access to its properties, and just for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to give the navbar a box effect so that we can see it. So now that we can see our navbar properly, to create a link all you do is go to the toolbar and click on the Select Space for Navbar Link icon. This now means that we can select space for a link, and links don't necessarily have to go on their navbars. They can be anywhere on the page. So I'll just create one here. So once I have selected space and lift the mouse button, the navbar link form is displayed. So the Help Center will give you full information about all of these fields. I'll just quickly fill out this form so that we have a navbar link to work with. So once I click on Update, you can see that we have a navbar link of sorts. So this can now be moved. If you go to the Move Resize tool, we can then position the navbar link exactly where we want it. And if at some point in the future we wanted to modify the appearance or move the link, all we would do is come back to, in this case it's template, or if it was on a page you would find that page in the folder tree and display it on the Page Designer tab. Come back here and select the navbar link, and then you can get access to its properties from the properties icon. You could change the link text, you could change which window the linked to page was displayed in. You can change any of those details. You can use the Move Resize tool to move or reposition the link. It's all very easy. So that's it.